Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome 3D space capsule animation using just one image and no plugins at all. So here's a quick look at 3 samples I made earlier. Alright, first thing we need is a picture of the capsule's front window unfolded like this. You can easily find tons of images like this with a quick search or just use AI to create exactly what you want. Here, I've already downloaded 3 images and cropped out the window parts. I saved them separately as PNG files so I can use them easily. You'll need to do the same with your images. Now we bring the prepared image into After Effects, create a new composition, and place the image inside it. Let's pre-comp the image. Apply the polar coordinates effect from the effects panel and set its interpolation value to 100. Now let's throw on the CC cylinder effect. In the rotation section, we can control the rotation of our image, now shaped like a 3D cylinder in all 3 directions. Set the X rotation to -90. I'll also reduce the radius. I'm setting mine to 30. Let's add a new camera and push it forward by increasing the position Z value until it lines up with our 3D object and gives us the capsule's main view. If the sides of the 3D image look too cropped or need adjustment, we go into the image composition. What I do is duplicate the image and scale down the layer underneath. From there, we can use different techniques to add more depth and make the window area feel smaller. At this stage, we need to add both horizontal and vertical camera movement and rotation inside the capsule, along with smooth forward and backward movement. To control each direction separately, we right-click on the camera's position property and choose separate dimensions to split the 3 axes. Now we'll add a bit of expression code to each axis. To do that, hold down Alt and click the stopwatch icon, then apply the wiggle expression. In this code, the first number controls the frequency, and the second one sets the amount of movement. Just repeat the same expression on the other directions too, using whatever values you need for each one. If needed, for example, if any gaps or cutoffs appear, we can simply move the camera a bit further forward. Now we import the background image into After Effects, place it below all the layers, and adjust its scale and position. Then we apply a smooth motion to the background's position using the wiggle expression. Now it's time to add a glass dirt texture. We place the texture above the background layer, set its blend mode to screen, make it 3D, and adjust its position and scale. To accurately place the glass texture at the front tip of the capsule, we first switch to the left view. In this view, we move the camera back a bit to see the full capsule. Then, we push the texture layer backward until it touches the tip of the capsule. After that, we return to the main camera view and fine-tune its X and Y position along with the scale. To add any element, like a logo right on the glass surface, just import the layer, make it 3D, and match its Z position with the texture layer. We'll now add a few effects to the logo to help it blend better with the glass. First, we apply the glow effect and increase the glow radius. Then, we lower the layer's opacity a bit. And finally, if needed, we can also apply the grid effect using the settings you see here. As a final touch, we'll simulate dynamic light reflections along the capsule window's edges. To do this, we apply the bevel alpha effect to the capsule layer, adjust the edge thickness to the desired level, and use a wiggle expression on the light angle parameter to animate the highlights in a subtle, randomized way. And that's it! With just one image and a few simple tricks, we've created a dynamic 3D space capsule scene. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching. See you soon.